Hi everyone, it's Kaylin, and well, this one is going to be very short and sweet. I just wanted to share some things with you guys. So if you're like me and you're pretty lazy when it comes to makeup and you just want to put in minimal effort and still somewhat look good, these are some tips for you. I showed them to my sister and she showed it to other people and noticed everybody's just kind of loved it, and I don't know, it's kind of been a hit, so I just wanted to share it. It's super easy, doesn't require a lot of money. I hope you enjoy it. Basically, all you really need. And I mean, this doesn't take into account the nights that you want to go out and work days. This is just kind of some quick fixes that just leave you feeling happy and confident. To me, basically all you really need is chapsticks, maybe some lip gloss, a little bit of lip liner. I mean, you know, especially if you want to have some fuller looking lips, it really does help. I always put a little bit of mascara. It really opens up your eyes. You know, sometimes I skip the mascara part and I just go straight to just putting some highlighter on my eyes. I love eyeshadow and eyes are really important to me. For me, eye makeup is my favorite part. I love going really funky on the eyes and just, you know, going a little bit more simple and everything else. The highlighter on your eyes. This one has been a really big hit. I do it and it really does help. It's super fast. I just put a little bit and I automatically look a little bit more lit up and more awake. And I always put a little bit of concealer because I still kind of like break out and stuff. So I'm gonna give you guys a little view of what I do and hopefully it helps. So for highlighter, you can just kind of use whatever you like. I know, I just kind of like rub it in there. Just kind of put that in there on your eyebrows as well. It really helps give your eyebrows more shape as well. So it really accentuates the arch. For me, the skin on my eyelids is very thin, so this also, I always feel like I need a little bit of eyeshadow to cover it up because you could see like all my veins and stuff. So I also like to make sure that my eyebrows are pretty defined. You know, it just always helps you feel better about yourself when your eyebrows are nice. So I just put a little bit. You can use whatever. Concealer is a really big one for me. It also works to like help with blemishes. So it's like, you know, you're putting makeup on your face, but it also helps clear it. Like maybe put some under your eyes a little bit. I would put a little bit concealer. Sometimes I don't, but sometimes I do. For lips, I really love Burt's Bees for, you know, some chapstick. I also am a firm believer in just putting a little bit of lip liner like all around your lips. Just, you put the shape, you outline it, and I like to put it on my actual lips as well because then it helps keep the color there. It makes it stay longer. So, on the chapstick, I always like my lips to be moist. I hate when they get all dry, and you know, I do put lipstick on and stuff like that, but like, you know, for everyday use, I love some chapstick. And I have some lip gloss too to help give me a little bit more shine. Now for some mascara, well actually I have tried a lot of different mascaras, but this one is my favorite one. I get a lot of compliments on it. It makes my lashes look super, super long and curled. So yeah, this is from Ulta and it's all curled up. I don't like to put too much because then it gets like pretty clunky, but I do like to have long lashes. So, yeah. So that's basically it. Nothing spectacular, no artistry here, just some simple tips. And yeah, it works, you know, I look decent. I don't look like I just rolled out of bed, so yeah, mission accomplished, right? So, bye guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.